Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up via Updated. Start by gathering your login credentials, admin access, and a stable internet connection, then back up current settings. I will walk you through a stepwise setup, explain common pitfalls, and show quick fixes for permission, network, and compatibility issues. Follow along at a steady pace, pause when needed, and don't worry if something looks unfamiliar because we will solve it together in clear steps. Begin the step-by-step setup by logging into the admin portal and confirming your account permissions. I will guide you through each menu, highlight the recommended defaults, and explain when to choose custom settings. We'll test connectivity, adjust firewall or permission rules if necessary, and save the final configuration to prevent rollback. Take your time with each step and use the pause button when you need to check details on your device. When something goes wrong, start with the basics. Restart the device, recheck admin rights, and test the network on another device. I'll show you how to read simple logs and identify common error messages so you can resolve issues without panic. If a step repeatedly fails, note the exact error text and try a clean restart of the setup process. These troubleshooting habits will save time and make fixes much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.